Hello everyone, I am Sarah from SKI Medical Network. Today we'll be learning about isomerism in organic chemistry. Now what is isomerism? In simple terms, it is like when two or more compounds have the same molecular formula, but their atoms are arranged differently, so they have the same molecular formula but different structural formulas. Isomers are like siblings. They share the same parents but have different traits or structures. For example, both butane and isobutane are simple hydrocarbons with 4 carbon atoms each. But despite having the same number of carbon atoms, they have different structures and properties due to the different arrangements of their atoms. These are isomers that have the same molecular formula, but differ in the order in which their atoms are connected. For example, the two isomers of butane, and isobutane, are structural isomers. Another type of structural isomerism is stereoisomerism, which differ in the spatial orientation of those atoms. So if you want to master organic chemistry for MCAT or your PREMED pathway, then go on our website link given below. This course on isomerism is a must-have for you. And make sure to subscribe for more free lessons. If you want to get the complete course, join by clicking the link in description or go to our website.